I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to close your KeyBank account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start the closure process, make sure you have your account number, identification, and any other relevant information handy. This will help speed up the process when you contact customer service. Step 2. Check for pending transactions. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Contact customer service. Call KeyBank's customer service or visit a local branch to request account closure. Be prepared to answer security questions to verify your identity. Step 4. Confirm account closure. Once you've submitted your request, ask for confirmation of the account closure in writing. This will serve as proof that you have closed the account. Step 5. Destroy your debit card. After your account is officially closed, make sure to destroy your debit card and any checks associated with the account to prevent unauthorized use. Closing your KeyBank account can be a simple process if you follow these steps. If you have any questions along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to customer service for assistance. Good luck!